Hello folks, this is my 1999 Jeep XJ. I wanted to show you one of the issues I ran into with this real quickly here. Is my rear hatch, when I would close it, it wouldn't really close tight, and I would get a like a rattle. It just wouldn't shut tight. So this is what I discovered to remedy that problem, is these rubber bumpers right here. Right on the back of the Jeep, the latch, or hatch, I'm sorry, closes up against it. These keep it tight, pulled back or pushed back, so this latch is tight. These are my old ones here. As you can see, this one is still intact, but it's real dry rotted and hard. This one here, the little rubber plate inside is all rotted out. This one is all spongy. So these here fix the issue. This is the part number from Amazon. I bought 2 of them, super cheap. And this is my result. It closes tight now. Before, I could slam this thing shut and it just would not latch properly. It was just loose, so every time I'd hit a bump, this thing would just bounce around, or it would vibrate when I was trying to back up or whatnot. So anyway, check those out on Amazon if you're having the same issue. I hope this video helped. God bless America, and God bless the Republic. Take care.